Premium quality explained, enhancing your English skills. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, premium quality. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, from shopping to services, and understanding its nuances is key to enhancing your English comprehension. Let's dive in. Premium quality refers to the highest standard or grade of a product or service. When something is described as premium quality, it implies that it is superior in terms of craftsmanship, ingredients, performance, or durability compared to regular options. This section will include examples to illustrate how premium quality is used in different contexts. In this section, we will explore how the term is used in various contexts. For instance, in a grocery store, premium quality might refer to organically grown fruits. In the tech world, it could describe a high-end smartphone with advanced features. Understanding the context helps determine why and how an item is labeled as premium quality. It's important to distinguish premium quality from similar terms like high quality, luxury, and top-notch. Each of these phrases has subtle differences in meaning and connotation. This section will delve into these differences to help you understand when and why you might choose to use one term over another. Here, we will engage in interactive exercises. Viewers will be asked to identify products or services described as premium quality in various scenarios, enhancing their practical understanding of the phrase. This interactive approach helps in solidifying the learning. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the phrase, premium quality. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and aids in more precise communication. We hope this video has been insightful and has added value to your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more informative content.